Hey guys, I'm Andrew, and I'm with Build Robotics. And what we are doing is we are automating construction equipment. So basically, we're taking existing construction equipment and we're putting our own hardware and software on top and having it drive around and move Earth autonomously. And our thesis is that with automation, and excavation and construction, it can be faster, cheaper, and safer. And there's a real problem right now in the United States, especially where there's a significant labor shortage. There's some crazy stats where it's like the average operator age is like 46 right now, and like 70–80% of firms are having trouble hiring skilled talent. Talk really briefly about the technology that we've got. It's fully autonomous. That's come up a lot. But basically, what we do is we load in basically a CAD file of what the ground should look like, and it'll understand that, and it'll also figure out what the ground currently looks like, and it'll cut and fill accordingly. So the end product is basically a final product that we can deliver to excavation firms. And I've got a quick time lapse here. It's kind of an older video. I'm hoping that it loads. All right, cool. But it's an older video, about a year and a little bit ago. It's a time lapse that we've got. And so this is Marianne. She's our compact track loader. Actually, ATL, so autonomous track loader. But basically, it's a compact track loader that's been outfitted with our sensors. You can see it's going into the dark without any brakes or anything. And at the end, it's just a set of eyes. But basically, that was cutting out a housing pad about 100 feet by 60 feet and about 3 feet deep. And that is cutting to an accuracy of 0.1 feet. And I apologize that we're using feet here. We're doing construction in the United States, so I've had to sort of switch over to feet. Yeah, and we are hiring. We're based in San Francisco. We've raised over $15 million from some of the top venture capitalists in San Francisco, and we're hiring across all departments from engineering to operations. One thing that I forgot to mention is that where we are in terms of technology is we've actually got equipment out on the fields. They're deployed long-term out in the fields, and we've got operators running it instead of engineers on site. So big moves. But yeah, so you can, I've got a little bit of time, but we do fun stuff. So we've got a picture of the team doing an offsite where we're dirt biking, and then the bottom picture is actually a picture from a drone shot from one of our sites. You can see we're cutting out housing pads. You can also see the streets. It's pretty cool stuff. So pushing a lot of dirt, moving a lot of dirt. So yeah, thank you.